Hello, and thanks for watching this official IQ Shield installation video. Today we'll be showing you how to install your new IQ Shield glass screen protector. Using the methods in this video, you will find that installing your protector will be quick and easy. Let's take a look at your kit and get started. Your kit will include a microfiber cleaning cloth, a guide frame, an alcohol wipe, dust removal film, and your IQ Shield glass screen protector. Make sure you wash your hands and prepare a clean space to perform the installation. Stray dust and lint may compromise a clean installation. Prepare your device by using the alcohol wipe to clean the surface of the screen thoroughly. Now use the microfiber cleaning cloth to wipe your screen dry and clean your device further. As a final measure, use the dust removal film to get rid of any remaining dust or lint. Inspect the guide frame and locate any cutouts for volume and power buttons. Match them to your device and overlay the guide frame onto your screen. Align your protector with the edges, as well as any cutouts, to get an idea of how it should fit before committing to the installation. When you're ready, hold the protector by the edges and remove the sticker. Once the protective liner is removed, be careful not to touch the exposed adhesive side of the protector. Carefully align the protector with your screen and gently lower it down until it contacts the surface. Once the protector is properly aligned on your device, secure the protector by gently pressing on the painted areas of the glass. Wipe down your protector and you can immediately begin using your device. There's no need to wait. If you are experiencing lower responsiveness to touch inputs, navigate to your device settings menu and find the option to increase touch sensitivity. Increase or toggle on this setting. Thank you for watching this installation video. We hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any issues with your installation, feel free to contact our customer service department for help.